Your expert. Cool stuff unboxing.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another of my unboxing videos. Today we're gonna be doing outdoor tech, the range, or just range, right? This one it's an XL waterproof speaker, and this one is the bigger version of the Total Shell. And this one we can see over here. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna take a quick look see at the box, and then I'm gonna pull it out of the box so you guys can see it before you buy it. All right. So they offer us an IPX7 water and dust proof, and it's also submersible in water. It has powerful sound. It has a 20 meter range. It has wireless pairing, so that means that you can get two of them and pair them together. And over here, we're gonna take a quick look see at the box. It says light me up. It also has lights on them. It has 6 lights mode. You can also use it as a power bank. So you can just take the unit with you and a cable, and that way you can just charge your phone out in the wild, right? It has hi-fi sound, and it has a built-in mic so you can pick up calls with it. It has the USB-C output to charge your devices. It charges the iPhone Pro, charges the recording devices like a GoPro, and charges camping lanterns as well. Alrighty, so besides that, we have over here wirelessly connect, rock out, watch and listen, play better, speak freely with the range from Outdoor Tech. So as you guys can see, this one is a big box, and we're gonna open it so you guys can see exactly what is on the inside. If I can do it. Okay, there you go. All right, so over here we have Outdoor Tech, and on the inside you guys will find the unit itself. I'm gonna take it out of frame. This one is a big box. I'm having a little bit of a difficult issue there. All right, so we have the big Total Shell. I'm sorry, the range right here. And you guys also get a little box. And inside the little box, you will find the power cord, which is USB-C to USB-C, the user manual, take a quick look-see at it, and a sticker for your swag. Remember that. All right. Now, this is pretty much the unit itself. It has this feet, so you guys can strap it onto your backpack or carry it that way, right? As well. Here you guys can see the lights on the unit and the buttons. So remember that the main concept from Outdoor Tech, the Total Shells, and just because of how the speakers are, the shape of them, right? And what happens if I just press the light button? Will it turn on? I think I need to turn on the unit first.
Power on. Pairing.
And then the light automatically comes
Battery
in.
high.
You can press the buttons for the different light settings, and you can play around with them. So this one is the range, and it will get you about 10 hours of playtime. You can charge it in about 4 hours. It has a microphone, also has a light, perfect for camping, so that way you don't lose it, and you can also see stuff around it. Has the latest chipset for Bluetooth, and it has 360-degree sound out of the unit. So this one, guys, I really like. It's very light, it's waterproof, it's submersible in water, it has lights on them, and if you get two, you can actually pair them together. So with that, I will also like to introduce our future videos right here. As you can see on screen, we have, this one is just a free promo for Outdoor Tech. They have the Calamari cable, which has all the cables in one cable. So this is the only thing that you will need for everything and to charge all your devices. Pretty useful if you ask me. They also brought back the Kodiak power bank, so you can actually charge on the go. It's 5,000 milliamps power bank battery. And in the back, you guys can see the new products from Outdoor Tech, which we're gonna be checking out in our future videos. So we have the Bullfrog, which is a big speaker similar to this one, but this one has a larger bass on it, right? So it's more powerful on the bass side. Besides that, perfect for camping, you guys have the the Beacon. So this ones are a headlamp, so you guys can take it on the go. Activates with motion sensor as well, and it will be perfect for your camping mode. And it has rechargeable batteries and or batteries. All right, that's pretty great. So we're gonna check this out in the next video. And also the Hawk, which are bone conduction sports headphones. So those are the products that we will see in the future. And besides that, remember to like, subscribe, all of that good stuff. If you like to see me do more of this type of videos, I will be coming up with everything that Outdoor Tech has to offer, for you guys can check it out before you actually buy it. So if you like that type of content, remember to give me a like. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you in the next one.